Hey everyone, it's Rahim, a third year graduation student with business major. I have recently started this YouTube channel to bring my knowledge to you guys and get some from you. Hence, in this video, I will be disclosing all the information and rumors which have been circulating in the market regarding the new iPhone SE, which is expected to be launched tomorrow in the peak performance event going to be held on 8th March 2022. So guys, grab your snacks and stay tuned to get all these insights in this video, but before that kindly consider subscribing as it will be helpful for the channel's growth. I will try to just share the information with you guys here without explaining about the sources, as this may not be what you are here for. So let's get started. So let's start with the most exciting question, that what will be the price of the new iPhone SE 3. As per the rumors and speculations based on the pricing of iPhone SE 2, it is expected that this newer iPhone SE will be costing somewhere around $3 or $5 or 23,000 Indian rupees. Meanwhile, some of the sources still think that it will be starting from $400. But one thing which could be said for sure is that this iPhone will be a budget device for the low-end market, which will serve as a sweet spot for the users who are interested in iPhone 12 or 13 but feels like they are a bit expensive for them. So now let's talk about the biometrics. There are a few rumors revolving around the tech community that iPhone SE 3 will come with a true depth camera system, and Apple might bring the Face ID technology to every device including basic iPads and Macs, but it is not a popular opinion. As per most of the reports and leaks, it is expected that the newer iPhone SE 3 will follow its forefathers and will come equipped with a second generation Touch ID sensor. Talking about the design language, as the leaks and rumors are suggesting that iPhone SE 3 is expected to have a Touch ID sensor, they are also anticipating that the same design language as iPhone SE 2 will be carried on to this generation. With a 4.7 inches display and huge bezels on the top and bottom, the newer iPhone SE 3 shall not be visually new. We are seeing Apple from the past few years that same design languages are carried forward for basic iPad, which improves with some improved specs, and this shall be case with the iPhone SE 3 this time. Talking about the specs, I think so that the specs are going to be the most interesting field for the people who are waiting for new iPhone SE 3, as it is expected to be really amazing. Starting with the newer A15 Bionic chipset, the SE 3 will be packed with the same speed and performance as iPhone 13. Apart from that, it is also rumored that the 5G may be finally arriving in this mid-range beast due to faster processing speeds and the technology getting common day after day. Coming towards the camera, Apple is known to use a 12 megapixel sensor in its cameras from years now, and same is expected to happen with the new iPhone SE 3, as it may carry a single wide sensor as the last SE model. The sensor may be bigger this time with better aperture and night mode. May be introduced for the better low light photography, as Apple is implementing this feature quite frequently now. Apart from that, the camera section may not hold a lot of you can say interesting things. Last but not the least, it is expected that a Plus model with 5.9 or 6.1 inches display will be seen this time for the iPhone SE, but this is not a popular opinion once again among the community and shall be overruled this time. But it may also be the case that the iPhone SE 3 got delayed till 2024, and on 8th March 2022's Apple event Apple may come up with the oversized iPhone SE Plus with same specs as explained above, and then we see a major design change in the iPhone SE 3 when it will be released in 2024 or later. That's all from this video. Thanks for sticking till the end, guys. If you enjoyed what you have watched, kindly give videos a quick thumbs up, and subscribing to the channel would be highly appreciated. You may also share the video with your friends and family interested or planning on getting an iPhone SE 3. With that said, keep on rocking and enjoying life, making sure that you use it for some greater cause. Have a good one, guys.